I think one of the key success factors to the relationship is the actual longevity of the relationship. Because we've been with Marvel so long, the support team at Marvel are really good at understanding our underpinning infrastructure. They understand the business requirements of the Land Registry. So that's, so from a support perspective, the guys in Marvel provide us with a really good level of support because we've built up the knowledge of what the Land Registry does and what we need from the tool. Likewise, within our internal teams in Land Registry, we've been able to build up a good knowledge base to support the tool internally, and this is based on the longevity. We've been able to build up the knowledge ourselves so we can provide support internally for a lot of issues without relying on the second line support. One of the key benefits of the Marvel product suite is its usability, and the fact that when you need to make changes to the system, you don't need to do many code changes because it's all ITIL aligned. You can get away with easily reconfiguring the system to get it what you want it to do to underpin your ITIL processes. Having said that, as an organisation, we're obviously always looking to get the best value for money, and whilst we've explored the marketplace, we've always found that Marvel has provided excellent value for money, and we've been a very happy customer of theirs for the last 12 years or so. Yes, from very humble beginnings, our requirements initially were quite low key. We were looking for a solution to provide a help desk solution for incident management to underline our incident management policies and processes. So in the first couple of years of using the tool, that's what we mainly focused on, and we found that the various parts of the product enabled us to improve our incident management process. What we found, because the tool is ITIL aligned, and it kind of guides you along the way, as Land Registry as an organisation has evolved its ITIL processes, the product has also evolved, and we've kind of undertaken different processes, and we've reaped the benefits of the functionality with Marvel to help underpin our processes. And we're now using the tool to support our incident process, our request for service process, our change process, and our problem processes. So from a requirements perspective, from an expectations point of view, the product has definitely delivered what we required and continues to do so. We use a full range of the Marvel product suite. We use the Pursuit product for our IT support guys to manage all the different types of requests they deal with. We have somewhere in the region of 500 IT support technicians using the Pursuit product. Coupled with that, we have about 20 users using the Truscott product to maintain our configuration management database. What we're using extensively across our organisation is the various web self-service portals. We have 5,000 of our internal customers that make use of the web customer product, and that's been a very beneficial implementation for us. We have a service desk in the Land Registry of about 20 staff, taking in the region of about 500 calls per day, those calls are logged through telephone calls to the service desk, as well as quite a high percentage through our various customer portals. Since the implementation of Marvel 12 years ago, we say as an organisation our ITIL processes have evolved, and we've been able to utilise the features of the Marvel product suite to help us along that journey. Examples of specific benefits we've seen from using the tool include an improved first-time fix rate for our service desk as they have continued to use the error control functionality within the tool. The service desk are now operating at a 60% first-time fix rate, and that's much down to the processes we've put in place to feed data into Marvel's known error database. Also, we've improved our change management processes. We've put tighter controls around our change management by making use of change modelling templates within the product. As an organisation, we deal with somewhere in the region of 5,500 changes per year across a very complex infrastructure that underpins the UK economy. So we need to have a full grasp on change activity, and we've been able to utilise the Marval tool to build change templates within the tool, to making that process of logging the changes as efficiently as possible for the change builders. Also, we've made extensive use of the self-service portals, which has been a real benefit to the organisation. It's created a number of efficiency savings. The internal customer portal, which we now deliver to our customers, it accounts for 95% of requests for service that are actually raised by our customers now, and 60% of our internal incidents are logged by that internal portal. So it's created numerous efficiency savings across the organisation, which has helped free up our service desk to be working on various service improvements. We're always looking for ways to expand our use of the MSM toolset within the Land Registry. We're very keen to release the economies of scale that can be achieved through recycling the technology in other areas of support across the organisation. Very recently we've undergone an initiative to provide facilities support through the MSM product. That's been a huge success. Again, that's given our customers a consistent service experience regardless if they're logging an IT issue or a facilities issue. We've also looked at the potential of expanding this to various office services across our organisation. So if users have things like hotel booking requests or business travel requests, we've tied that into the MSM product as well. So it's all about giving our customers a consistent approach to any of their support needs, regardless of what area they're in. Furthermore, what we've looked to do with our current offering to our internal customers is to make the portal we give them a one-stop shop for all their support needs. So not only is it a mechanism for them to log their IT incidents or their IT request for service, we've also added within the portal links to specific support information to help manage their expectations. So we've got links there to our service catalogue, so any of our internal customers can go down, they can look at all the services we provide support for, they can look at the service hours for any specific service, they can see who the customer representative is for the particular services. And again, all of these things, they help to improve the perception of the IT support that we deliver at Land Registry. Without doubt, one of the main beneficial parts of the product we've been able to exploit to some great extent within Land Registry is the self-service portals. We now, across the organisation, we have 14 separate self-service portals out there providing support for various aspects of the business. And it gives us, Land Registry as a service provider, the ability to provide a consistent service offering to our customers. Within each of those offerings, we're able to tie the service level agreements for each of the different underpinning support functions, and we can make use of Marval's automated email function so that we can manage the customer expectation. So when they log request X, it tells them request X is estimated to take this number of days. So we're managing their expectations up front, right the way through to when we resolve their issue and contact them again. So that's been a huge benefit to the Land Registry, making use of those self-service portals.